In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept multiple payment methods with Jotform, a simple yet effective way to boost your online business and provide more flexibility to your customers. As we navigate through this process, I'll ensure each step is clearly articulated, allowing you to follow along with ease and confidence. Let's jump right in. We begin by heading over to jotform.com. Upon reaching the site, you'll arrive at the sign in page. You have a couple of options here. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can use your email address along with a password. This flexibility means you can choose the sign-in method that suits you best. Once signed in, we focus on configuring our form to accept multiple payment methods. In the Jotform form builder, we start by adding a single choice element. This is where users will select their preferred payment method. Think of this as setting the stage for the various payment options you're planning to offer. Options like PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, or Venmo can be included as choices. This element ensures that customers can easily indicate their preference, streamlining the entire checkout process. Next, we need to create separate forms on Jotform for each of the payment methods you've listed. This involves setting up an integration with each payment gateway, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, or others, to ensure that transactions go through smoothly. After setting up these forms, the next crucial step is embedding each payment form into your main form as an iframe embed widget. You can do this by adding the iframe widget. Simply click on Add Element, then Widgets, and search for iframe. This functionality lets your customers view and interact with the payment forms directly within the main form, making the user experience seamless. It's important to set each of these iframe widgets to be hidden by default. This keeps your form clean and uncluttered until the user makes their payment method selection. With the widgets in place, navigate to Settings in the form builder and then click on Conditions. Here you'll create conditions to show specific iframe embed widgets based on the selection made in the single choice element. This means, for example, if PayPal is chosen, only the PayPal iframe embed widget will be displayed while the others remain hidden. Ensure the integration is complete by opening the widget settings panel. This can be done by clicking the widget's wand icon. In this panel, you'll need to paste the URL of your embedded payment form into the frame URL field. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your Jotform is now equipped to handle transactions using multiple payment methods, ready to accommodate the preferences of your diverse customer base. Thank you for watching and happy form building.